Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash on a school Chromebook. Many school devices have strict limitations on installing new applications, but don't worry, there are still ways to enjoy the game. One common method involves using web-based versions. Simply open your browser and search for unblocked Geometry Dash to find websites hosting the game. Keep in mind that the performance might differ from the official version. If your school Chromebook supports Android applications, you might be in luck. First, check your device settings to see if Google Play Store access is enabled. If it is, you can simply open the Play Store, search for Geometry Dash, and install the official application directly. This method offers the most authentic and complete game experience, often with better performance than web versions. It's a fantastic option if available on your device. Sometimes, direct searches for unblocked games might lead to blocked sites. In such cases, try exploring various alternative unblocked game websites. Many platforms specialize in hosting browser-friendly versions of popular games like Geometry Dash. If you encounter persistent blocking, a web proxy could potentially help you access certain sites. Always prioritize your online safety and ensure any website you visit is reputable and secure before playing. Before you start playing, remember a few important considerations. Always be mindful of your school's internet usage policies and rules. The game's performance can vary significantly based on your specific Chromebook model and its processing power. If you plan to use sound, please use headphones to avoid disturbing others around you. Most importantly, always choose to play during designated free time, such as lunch periods or breaks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.